Good morning, dear student. In this video for class 11th only, I will teach them about English. In English, hornbill. In hornbill, your first chapter is a portrait of a lady. एक लेडी का पोर्ट्रेट मीन्स पिक्चर कह सकते हो, तस्वीर, जीवन चरित्र, कुछ भी कह सकते हो. सो द स्टोरी और समरी ऑफ द लेसन. देखिए, द स्टोरी ऑफ द समरी ऑफ द लेसन इज अबाउट टू पर्सन. वन इज ए ग्रैंड मदर एंड द अदर इज grandson. Grandson's name is Kushwant Singh. Now, when the lady and his grandson was living in a village, and this grandson's parent had gone to city for service, and he was left with his grandmother. वो ऐसे अपने दादी के साथ गांव में छोड़ दिया जाता था. मीन्स हिज ग्रैंड मदर गोट हिम अप डेली, उसे डेली उठाया करती थी, एंड गेट हिम रेडी फॉर द स्कूल. ही आल्सो गेव हिम ए ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफ टू स्टार्ट चपाती, जो बासी रोटियों देती थी, इसमें मक्खन चीनी डाल देती थी, उसको खिलाया करती थी. एंड वैन सी टुक हिम बाउ, से नहलाती थी. देन टी सिंग अ मॉर्निंग प्रेयर in such a belief that he may learn it, but the child never bothered to learn the prayer. जब वो मीन्स की बहन they have finished their prayer and the old lady was finished in preparing the boy, then they went to school with his grandmother. अपने दादी के साथ स्कूल जाया करता था. And on the way many village dogs met him. Grandmother took him some bread for the dogs, कुत्तों के लिए ले जाया करती थी. And the boy sat in a school and the lady went into a temple. टेम्पल में जाती थी, रीडिंग स्क्रिप्चर, धर्म ग्रंथों को पढ़ती हुई. ओके, दिस कंटिन्यू फॉर मैनी ईयर्स. And when they returned from the school, then the black dog missed them. The grandmother threw bread for toward the dogs which she brought with her, जो अपने साथ लाती थी. This continue for some time, यह काफ़ी समय तक चलता रहा. But when the grandson's parents settled comfortably in city and made a beautiful house, they called for her mother, his mother. अपनी माँ अपने बेटे को बुला लेते हैं, शहर में रहने लगते हैं. Now the relationship of their friendship was snapped because now the boy has become old. अब वो लड़का था, बड़ा हो गया था. He no longer lived or slept with her grandmother. Now the grandmother did not get him ready for the school. स्कूल तैयार नहीं करती थी. He went into a English school. स्कूल जाता था. One day क्या होता है कि the grandson told her grandmother that she has been given music lessons in the school. Hearing this, the grandmother became very sad because for her the music was a lewd association. उसे म्यूजिक पसंद नहीं था. And she was very sad when she asked her grandson if they had taught any books about gods or scriptures. But they taught him about science. Now there's some change came into her. उसमें कुछ परिवर्तन आ गए थे. अब वो अपने नाती से दूर रहा करती थी, इसलिए she took pleasure in feeding the sparrows. She always scanning his spinning. After completing his graduation, the boy had to go abroad. The grandmother went to see off the station पे जाने के लिए जाती है. And when she embraced her grandmother, then the boy was hearing the monotonous prayer, and she did not believe that she was not able to see his grandmother when he will return back after 5 years. उसे विश्वास नहीं होता है कि जब वो 5 साल के बाद अपनी पढ़ाई करके वापस लौटेगा तो वह दादी उसे मिलेंगी या नहीं मिलेंगी. But there was not a sign of oldness on the face of her grandmother When he returned after 5 years after completing graduation. Now there was too much change came into grandmother. In the evening, grandmother called some ladies of the neighborhood and got an old drum and began to beating on it for hours. घंटों तक उसे पीटती रहती थी. And बहन Bande grandmother told all the family members that today is her last day. आज उनका अंतिम दिन था. So she did not want to waste her time in talking to anybody. किसी से बात करने में समय नहीं बर्बाद करना चाहती थी. But we thought different. हमने भिन्न नहीं सोचा. Because she has a mild fever. But लेकिन she thought in a different way. And when she was dying, तो her rosary was fell from his lifeless fingers, and we thought that she had died. All the sparrows were sitting near him. There was no chirping. My mother went inside the house and took some bread, and she broke them into little cones and threw toward the sparrow. But the sparrow did not took heed of the bread crumbs. कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया. ऐसे पड़े रहे. Because the sparrows was also expressing their sorrow for the grandmother के प्रति अपने दुख को व्यक्त कर रहे थे. And thus इस प्रकार से the story नहीं no. And when we were carrying our dead grandmother's corpse off, then there was no sound in the sparrows. कोई sparrow में कोई आवाज नहीं हो रही थी. After that, in the morning, sweeper came and swept all the breadcrumbs, and thus the story was ended. Now, dear student, I am writing some of the questions on the board. You will try to write the answers of these questions. Now, your homework will be here. Questions first. Your will be write 3 pages of write 3 pages. किन्हीं 3 चारों को लिखिए. 3 pages of the authors relationship with his grandmother. Before he left the country to study abroad. Three ways in which the author grandmother spent her day after she grew up. Three ways in which the author grandmother spent her day after he grew up. Now, these are the questions. You have to write the answers of these questions in your copy as a homework. That's all.